Women over 50, let's melt that menopause belly fat and relieve neck pain together. Sink into a gentle half squat. This is completely no jump and joint friendly. Draw slow half circles. Enjoy this gentle mobility practice. Keep your knees slightly bent to protect them. Step to the side and softly clap overhead. This movement melts away your neck and shoulder stiffness. Just relax. There is no need to be perfect. Gently lift your heels and swing your arms back. Feel a warm stretch extending through your chest. If you lose balance, simply keep your feet flat on the floor. Slide your hands down your sides and softly bend your knees outward. This deeply awakens your body's circulation and boosts metabolism. Breathe in slowly, feeling the calm energy. Lift one knee and gently punch forward. Feel your core engage. This safely burns stubborn belly fat. If you feel a bit tired, just slow down, but stay with me. Sink into this seated stance. Feel the steady strength building in your legs as we gently sway. Feel a soft stretch in your legs. Protect your knees by moving slowly. Let go of any stress with each exhale. Open your arms wide, then wrap them into a warm hug. This beautifully releases the tension in your upper back. Hold this gentle embrace. Give your body a moment of true peace. Gently lift your heels and swing your arms up. Let the momentum carry away any heaviness in your shoulders. Find your center, breathe naturally. Now, softly kick and reach towards your toes. Only lift as high as it feels comfortable. Listen to your body. This gently awakens your core and improves joint mobility. Bend forward slightly, pressing your hands down and back. Feel a deep, relieving stretch along your lower back. Exhale fully, releasing all the tension from your day. Sink into a half squat and gently twist your torso. Let your waist lead the turn, keeping your whole body soft and relaxed. This twisting motion beautifully targets stubborn belly fat. Step back softly and draw a large circle with your arms. If your legs feel a bit tired, just breathe through it. Stay with me. Feel the graceful flow of energy through your fingertips. Let your arms swing freely as you twist from the waist. This is wonderful for melting away stiffness in your spine. Take a deep breath in. There is no rush. Just move at your own perfect pace. Shift your hips side to side and float your arms up. Focus on the gentle stretch in your waistline. Embrace this quiet moment. Your body is healing. Gently lift your foot inward, like tapping a soft feather. This wonderfully opens up your hip joints and improves flexibility. Move slowly, enjoying the peaceful rhythm of your breath. Sway your hips softly, letting one arm rise as the other falls. Feel the gentle stretch in your waistline melting away any stiffness. Keep your knees slightly soft to protect your joints. Lightly tap your foot forward while raising both arms. We are entering the final phase. Let a deep calm wash over you. Feel the steady, grounded connection between your feet and the floor. Draw smooth arcs in the air with your hands, swaying naturally. This continuous motion deeply engages your core without any strain. Trust your body, it knows exactly how to heal itself. Step back softly and reach one arm up towards the sky. Feel a long, refreshing stretch from your fingertips down to your waist. Every movement is a gentle massage for your internal organs. Step back and open your chest wide. Welcome and fresh, healing oxygen to nourish every cell. Release any lingering tension in your upper back with every exhale. Keep your arms softly straight, moving them up and down as you sway. Let your entire body feel light, warm, and completely free. We are slowly gathering our energy back to the center. Take a deep breath. If this brought you peace, please like and subscribe to flow with me again.